Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having an amazing day. Thank you for stopping and taking a minute of your day to watch this video. As you read by the title, we are doing some magnetic lashes today. Are they worth it? Are you going to be like I was? We're going to find out. First of all, I want to say thank you to my daughter. She got me this shirt. It is from Romwe. Anyway, it's just a cute little crop top. That's where it comes down to. Perfect length. I like it. She did get it in an extra large. It is not an extra large. So of course she couldn't fit it. So now I have it, but I do rather like it. The neck's a little big for me, but it's a summertime shirt, so I'm digging it. If you've ordered from there, let me know what you think about their quality of clothing. And then the next thing she got is from Shein. This is the new bikini. I won't be wearing it this year. I don't plan on going anywhere to actually wear it. I haven't tanned this year. I haven't done a whole lot of anything. But this is what it looks like. This is the top. Orange is my color. And then these are the bottoms. They are in a medium. I don't know what she paid for them, but I did try it on and I absolutely love them. So let me know if you've ordered from either one of these companies, because I myself am digging the items that I'm finding there. Anyway, I was wearing the shirt, so I thought I would bust out the bags and let y'all know and see if y'all order from there. Either way, today we are going to be going over the Ardell Professional Magnetic Liner and Lashes. Easy to apply, no adhesive needed, long-lasting, waterproof, paraben and latex-free, reusable. These are the Demi Wispies. These retail for $11.29 at Walmart. Now, I love the idea of lashes. I am horrible at them. The lashes that I use are from Kiss. They are the Falscara Lifting Wisps 03. These are $5.97. These go underneath your lashes. It's easiest for me to use these. And Glamnetic lashes are $30 to $40, $30 when they're on sale, $40 for a pair of lashes. Now, if I'm going to spend $40 on a pair of lashes, I want to know that I can A, use them, B, know that I'm going to be comfortable with them, and C, have to be worth the price point for a set of lashes. So I picked these up, $11.29 at your local Walmart. I was one of the people that I thought that the magnetic trend was cool, but at the same time, I can hear in the back of my head, if you use magnetic lashes, expect compensation. You know, that's what I hear. I hear that commercial that we hear from all the stuff that we try and then come to find out it's bad for us. In saying that, here we are. We're trying them. It does have directions. Step 1 is apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. Step 2 is place magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while liner is still semi-wet and gently press down to secure. When you remove them, it's gently peel off magnetic lashes and remove liner residue from the band magnets, taking care not to detach the magnets from the band. Store in tray for reuse. To remove the liner, gently wipe an oil-based makeup remover over closed eyelids until clean. Quick tip, apply on clean, dry lids, hence no makeup. I do have a little bit of lip gloss on and a little bit of concealer right here to hide Arthur. That is his name for the day. So that's what I have on my face. Other than that, nothing else. So it says, for best results, use primer prior to application. If you need to reposition magnetic lashes once the magnetic gel liner has dried, slowly peel off lashes and gently remove any liner residue from the bands, magnets, taking care not to detach from the lash band. Reapply fresh coats of liner before reattaching lashes. Caution, keep out of reach of children. If you have a pre-existing eye condition, consult your physician before use, blah, 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 blah. Do not wear magnetic lashes or eyeliner in or near an MRI machine. It's on there. I thought I'd share with y'all. So let's go ahead and open these up and take a look at them. So I did just sit down, pop on the camera. I just came back in from the yard, so I got itchies everywhere. Joys of living in rural community. So I did turn the camera on. I sat down and we are going to try this together. I haven't tried them. I haven't opened them. Nothing. So be prepared. This could go bad. Alright, so when you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. You have your lashes, a little bitty brush, and then your magnetic gel liner in black. This is 2 grams or 0.07 ounces. And that is what it is. So it does have a quite small little brush to apply the liner. You can see the magnets on the lashes. And then, of course, the liner itself. It's kind of a jip. Look at all that empty space. Ah, it's a false bottom. It's a false bottom, guys. We got a false bottom. All right, so you don't get very, you don't get very much product for your reusable lashes. There is quite a bit in there, but not a whole lot. I don't know what and how much comes with Glamnetic lashes, but this is certainly enough to use these quite a few times. So here we go. I'm going to take my brush. I'm just going to wipe off my eyelid. I do know that it's clean, but you do know that we have oils on our eyelids at all times. And if you think that my eyebrows are pink, you'd be right. They are stained. So we're just going to deal with that. Alright, so it's just like any other eyeliner, creamy consistency. Let me grab a mirror. Alright, so here we go. I'm a lover of eyeliners. I just don't usually eyeline the top of my lash line. I can tell you that this brush is not as firm and stiff as I would like it to be for doing eyeliner. But it will definitely get the job done. You can make any brush almost work, so work with your tools. Alright, so I'm going to pause right there. I'm going to do the other eye, wait a few seconds, and then do the second coat, and then we'll be back to put the lashes on. Okay, guys, so there is 2 coats of the liner. It's pretty much dry. So now I guess we will try on these lashes. Sorry about my phone. Okay, so it doesn't say in here to cut these down or anything. So, I guess we will just go with the flow. Oh, now see, I don't like that. You can see in there, they are taped. Well, not taped, but that squishy, sticky stuff. That is how they are adhered to this container. So right off the bat, I don't like that at all. It will fray your eyelash, as you see. So I'm not a big fan of that. Not to mention that I still feel it on the eyelash itself. That is what I'm talking about, the little sticky, gooey stuff. Okay. Alright, so here is this one. Let's go ahead and try to apply it. Okay, I think I have mine too far up. It does just grab right a hold of that eyeliner though. Okay, so there's one on. It doesn't feel very secure like most eyelashes once you have them on and set in place. It does that grip that you know, okay, they're gonna be there. Can you see where that eyelash is frayed out? Okay. Alright, so yes, it was easy to apply. I will take a close-up of what the top looked like, because that's always one issue I have. It's a dead giveaway of false eyelashes, is what does it look like on top? Can you tell immediately that they're false eyelashes? Because if you can, I don't like that. Which is why I wear mine underneath most of the time. It feels so weird. It just clings right onto it. And there is number 2. They are fluffy. I do like that. Ow, pinch my skin. Don't like that. Okay, so yes, they were easy to apply. Like I said, I don't feel that secure bond that I usually feel when wearing a false eyelash, which kind of throws me off a little. But all in all, they went right on. It was very simple. I know I like watching eyelash tutorials, and my curiosity got the better of me, so here we are. Let me know if you pick up a set of these. Like I said, they're $11.29 at Walmart. This little brush, it's cute and all, but it worked great for a lip brush, but not for eyeliner. You need a tight, nice, thin brush like the Jeffree Star eyeliner brush. That's a good brush. It's very thin, very precise. This one was just a little bit too big. I didn't use much product at all. I did switch over to the Morphe E11, which is too big, but it did work out a whole lot better than the brush that it came with. So I will definitely wear these for a little while, go for a ride, put the windows down, see if I keep both of them, that kind of thing, and come back and let y'all know what I think about them. If you pick up a set of these, let me know what you think about them. Were they just as easy for you to use? I think for the price point and wanting to kill that cat from curiosity, you should definitely try them out. So thanks for checking out the video. I appreciate it. Let me know if you are going to try a set of them. Please do give it a like or dislike. At least I know you're paying attention. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and until next time, guys, you stay beautiful. Bye.